Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Floorplanner, a website which allows you to design floor plans to design interiors of homes and also exteriors. First, go to floorplanner.com. You can sign up for free and create an account. Remember, I have a free account so you don't have to buy a pro account for all the things I'm doing now. But if you want a project with 2 floors, you'll have to buy an account which is not free. So I'm going to teach you how to use a free account. To create a project, you click create. So this is your dashboard. Here it'll show you all the projects you've made, and here it'll show you the exports you've made, like pictures of your floor plan. And here are just some updates to the website, like videos for updates to Floor Planner. So start by clicking create project. Select your name, demo project, I'll call mine. And you can also choose, like, if this is an actual house, like you're going to build, you can choose a country and address of where the house will be, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So then click create project. It'll load. So there are three options here. You can either upload an image for an already made floor plan, or you can start with an empty plan or room wizard. We're going to start with empty plan. So now, to draw a room, you click this. And you choose how thick you want the walls of the room to be. I'll make mine 15 centimeters. And this is the wall height. I'll make mine 9 feet and 2 1/4 inches. Let's keep it 10 centimeters. So you draw how big you want the room to be. And here it tells you how long you want the width and length to be. So if you want, we'll just switch to feet because I'm currently in the US, so I follow the customary units. And then you can draw a room. Okay. And then here it tells you how long and wide your room is with inches and feet. So the first part is width and then there's the length in feet. So let's just make the room this big. Let's make it a bit smaller. I think we made it way too big. So we'll click on it. Click on a wall. Just zoom in. Click a wall. And then drag it to make it smaller. So you can still make adjustments to your wall after you have designed it with the tool. Make it way smaller. Let's check. Okay, more. Still too big. What I like about floor planners, there are a lot of options for making the rooms. Like there's tons of furniture to add. There are a lot of cool designs to use if you don't want to make it yourself. So I guess this is a good room. If you want to name your room, just click on it. Click room type. And then you choose which category it is. Like if you're designing a house, you click house, office, click office, and so on. Mine is going to be a house. And then we choose which room you want. So I'm going to make this a living room. Okay, so the label with living room should come. I still think this is a bit too big, so let's make it a bit smaller. What's helpful is that it gives you the sizes and lengths of your walls here if you want to change them. Okay, now let's make some flooring. So to make flooring, you click on the room, And then you go to the options and click material. You can either make your flooring a distinct color, or you can use a material like carpet, wood, tiles, wallpaper, and outdoor materials like rock, grass, and stuff like that. Paving stones. So I'm gonna make wood because that's what most living rooms have a flooring of. So let's choose a wood you want. I want this hardwood floor. So you just drag it, and you just click it, and it should pop up. You just click it, and it'll change it to what you want. So this is our flooring. It looks good so far. And now you can. A cool feature is that if you click 3D, you can view your room in 3D. As you can see, the walls are too low, so let's make them higher. So we click on the walls, go to wall height. I like mine being around 9 feet and 2 and 1/4 inches, so we'll keep it there. You can change your height to anything you want. And for a raise of floor, keep it to 0 because you don't want your walls to be in the air. And remember, if you're on the free account, you can only make 1 floor, so you won't be able to make 2 floors or higher. So let's look at our walls. As you can see, this has gotten taller. So now let's make all our walls that height. 9 feet, 2 and 1/4 inches. Let me copy and paste this so it'll be easy for the other walls. Okay, one more. Okay, now let's view our room in 3D. Okay, it looks pretty cool, but what I think is bland is the walls, like they're just white. So let's change the color of this. To change the color of your walls, just click on this, and you can either change the outer side or the inner side. So I'm gonna change the inner side, so I'll click side 2, and then you go scroll down and click wall finish. You can either choose a distinct color for your walls, or you can choose a material. I'm gonna choose a material, and I'm gonna go through wallpaper. So let me choose a cool wallpaper. Sorry, excuse me. I like this. I like orange, so I'm just gonna make this the wallpaper. You can also just click, and let's make all of them this color. Let's also make sure we have the right side. Oh, okay, this is the wrong side, see? So this is the outside. So let's change that. So let's turn this back to black, white. We'll change the outdoor colors later. Now let's show the inside. So side 1 to the wallpaper we want for our living room. Scroll down. Okay, so this was the one I liked, so let's do that for all of them. Another helpful way to do this easily is clicking on this, on the bricks icon in your menu, and then choose wallpaper, and then go to the wallpaper you want. So I like this, so then you just drag it, and you move it near the wall, and you choose which side you want the wallpaper to be on, the outdoor or the indoor. So I want it to be inside, so I'll do it there. Let's do this for all of them. One more. Now let's check it in 3D. As you can see, all the wallpaper has been added. Now let's add a door for our living room. So we go to hammer, build. Now you go to place doors. And we'll go to 3D to see how each door looks like. So I just want a normal room door, nothing too fancy. So I will just pick this door. And you gotta attach it to a wall. So first build your wall and then you can build the door. I'll just put the door here. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. And when you click on it, you can switch how the door will open. So I want my door to open from the inside, so you click on that. And I want my door to open like this to the wall, so I'll change the direction of the door. So now the door will open and to the inside. Let's look at that from 3D. As you can see, a door has been added to the room. Now I'm going to show how to add furniture. So you go to the couch or armchair icon, and then you just choose living room because that's the furniture you want. Then you search. So the first thing I think of when I think of a living room is a sofa. So let's just search up a sofa and we'll choose the best one that I think. I like this one, so let's add this. Pretty cool. And now you can either do it manually to rotate it, or you can use these buttons to do it 90 degrees each time. And if you want to flip it, you do this. But it doesn't show anything because it's already sideways, but if you do it here, it'll flip it. Okay, and if you want to delete this, you click the trash can, and if you want to duplicate it, you click this, which makes a copy. Let me just delete this, I don't need it. Let's keep this here. I might need to make this a bit bigger, but we'll see after we're done. Now let's add a coffee table. Oh, okay. Let's see which one to add. See, there are lots of furniture options, so that's why I think it's pretty cool. So even if you have the free version, you get all the furniture they have, which I like. We'll save this for the TV stand later. I like this clear coffee table. Actually, I like this one. I'll just choose this one. It looks pretty cool. Let's put this here. Let's check it out in 3D. There you see all the furniture has been added. And you can either go through this mode where you can see the whole thing, or you can walk through it. In this mode where like in first person view, like where you're actually in the room. You can use this camera to make it go down or up to change the height, and you'd use this to change the angle. And you can do the same for this camera, so you just use this to go up and down and field of view to make it bigger or smaller. So go to walkthrough. So as you can see, it's looking pretty cool. Let's add more furniture. Let's now add a TV. Let's check if there are any good TVs. Oh, what's a TV stands? I'll just add this. I'll delete this. I like that TV stand better. So let's add that. Let's rotate it. Okay, that's good. Let's lean it against the wall. I like the placement features too, so it makes it easy to lean it against the wall. Okay, now let's find a TV. Let's scroll down. You have to scroll down for the TVs because they first show only the TV stands and the tables. Scroll down. Where is it? Wait, where is it? Go to the top. Let's just search up inch TV to find more better results for the TV. Where are all these stands? Check here, it should be easy. Okay, let's just check in all categories. It might not be in here. Finally, I found a TV. So let's see if there are more TVs. So let's click on this info button and click similar items. Whoa, that's a lot of TVs. Let's choose the one we want. Hmm. Um. Well, this one looks pretty sleek design, actually. Okay, I'll just choose this. There, that's good. Let's view our room in 3D. Well, it's looking good. Let's add some lights now. Lights. Bad spell. Sorry. Let's go to let's do living room furniture. I like this. Let's put it right in here. Let's try to get a lamp now. Like this. One right there. Let's keep one right there. Let's go to 3D. There, looking good. Oh wait, our light is underground, so let's fix that. Click on the light and click this arrow to raise it. You could also do this in 2D settings. Or you click on it, you click raise it room 4. So let's see how high our wall is. And we'll make that how high our lamp should be. So let's copy and paste this and click on lamp and paste that into the raise from floor box. Now that should work. Let's check. Okay, this is better. Let's switch to walkthrough. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now let's just add some final touches. Let's just add some shelves. So far, so good. Storage. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Let's keep that here. Actually, let's trade this with one here and another one. Let's duplicate this. Another one here. Let's actually keep this right next here. Right next to our TV. Let's move this a bit so there's room for the second shelf. So another good tool you can use is you can select all of these objects to move at once. So click on this. Now you press shift and click on the sofa. Now press shift and click on this. Now you press shift and click on this. Click on that. Shift, shift, shift. Okay, be sure to be holding shift as you click on all of your objects. So hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. I recommend starting with a tinier object so it's easier to use. Hold it, hold it. Okay, there. Now just use your arrow keys, or you can use your mouse to move everything at once. Let's move that here. Okay. And let's move this here. Let's bring this other one. That here. Move that here. And I guess we can shrink our room a bit. Move our door. Okay, this is good. We can move our door here. Actually, we'll keep it there. We'll keep it here. Now we'll shrink this room because I think it's still a bit big. Let's change our flooring again. Back to this. Okay. I think we're about done with our room. Okay, so I guess we're done with our living room. And if you want, now we'll just go over some of the other floor planner functions without actually making a room. So here, wait, let's name this room living room. So if you go here, it tells you this is a living room and it gives its square footage here, which is handy. Now, let's go to draw. Now you can do draw wall if you don't want to make rooms that are exactly square shapes. So you just drag it and drop. Keep on dragging it. You can make any shape you want. Okay. Okay. And now you just click on this and name it whatever room you want. So that's how to make a room without actually making it a rectangle. Now there's this thing you can use and it's called Room Wizard. So you just click on the room you want to design and you click on Magic Layout. And now you want the style of the furniture. I have like the black, yellow, gray style, and then you click Magic Layout and it automatically creates a room with all the furniture. Wait. So using it, it creates the flooring that you want. Well, let's make it a bit higher. And if you click on a point, it makes both of these walls higher, like the same height. And if you keep just some of your walls, It will slant your walls if you like, if you want to create a roof or something. Okay. And if you want to place structures like fireplaces, roofs, and stairs, you just go to structurals. But stairs won't really matter if you're in a basic version because you won't have a second floor. So you can you place a fireplace, and you can use roofs at the top. I'll explain how to use these roofs in another video. And that's that function. Also, if you go to this icon and you click light settings, you can control how much light each of your lights gives. And you can either turn them off or on to control how each room looks. You can change the color of the light. That's it. And these show the different rooms you have. So this is living, this is kids, and this shows the total. If you click on items and design, it shows all the items you used in your rooms. Let me show you one of the houses I use. Oh yeah, and I forgot. If you want to save your design so you want to work on it later, just click on this. It's important to do this or your changes will be unsaved and they'll probably not be there the next time you open it. So now I'll show you another thing I made. So this is one of the houses I made recently. I just like dogs, so I kept some in here. So basically this is a porch. This is a entry hallway. And this is a kitchen, and these rooms, I use Room Wizard to design them. So they all have like one theme, like this modernish theme, like a black, white, and yellow. So this is my bedroom. This is a study. See the black, white, and yellow theme still here. And this is a dining room, the black, white, and yellow theme. So this is why I like Room Wizard. It makes it easy to design. Even here, the black, white, and yellow theme. And this is the bathroom. So making houses is really easy with Room Wizard. So that's why I recommend using that feature. And this is just a fish tank. And in my next video on Floorplanner, I'm going to teach you how to make a ranch style roof. Like this. So on the sides it'll be like a roof, like a side roof, and on the top it'll be a flat surface, like a ranch style roof. I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. And be sure to subscribe and like my videos if you want more and you like them. Thank you and bye bye.